Hello everyone, and here we are with Sharky once again. I wanted to show you the differences between the original Stream Deck and the Stream Deck XL that no other YouTubers showed so far. One is the brightness, 2 color, and 3 how it clicks. First of all, let's look at brightness. This is at the minimum brightness setting, and this is gonna be the brightest brightness setting. Let's go back home. The original Stream Deck is brighter than the XL. Also, the original Stream Deck has more blue, which you could kind of tell between this key. This looks more blue than this. It's the same exact icon, same exact color, but look at this. They're obviously different. Definitely this icon here and this icon here is different color as well. And let's look at the clicks. The XL is deeper, and this is the original. It's a lighter sound. And those were the differences. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.